Debbie McIntosh. We looked into having a whole house generator installed. We didn't do it at that time. We did it this year. I would definitely recommend Eau Gallie Electric to any of my neighbors and or friends. They are on time. They are very pleasant to work with. Eau Gallie Electric is going to install some ceiling fans and other light fixtures out on our patio, which we had redone this year. It's just been a very, very happy experience, really.
Hi, Mrs. McIntosh. This is Adam with Eau Gallie Electric. I'd like to take the time to thank you for your purchase of the Generac home standby generator. We are really grateful that you trusted us with this decision. Thank you so much for your feedback, and we look forward to serving you in the future.